Brrr. 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 Come back into the light, pretty bird. That sunlight was so perfect. My, you're a tasty little creature. But I prefer your larger cousin, the pigeon. There you go, get that good sunlight. The ground is covered with bugs that have been falling off the tree all day long. There you go. That is one type of 3 types of doves in Texas that I know of. The smallest is the Aztec doves. They're really beautiful. This is one of the white-winged. And there you go. They call them mourning doves. It's not morning as in the sun's coming up. It's mourning, and it's starting to go out of range. At least I'm worked the zoom correctly on it. Oh. Now it's got a. They call them mourning doves because of the mournful sound that they make. The call that they make. People misspell it all the time, and they're going to change the meaning of the word if you don't watch out. It's mourning dove due to the mournful sounds that they make. Spell it right. Tired of you idiots spelling it mourning, M-O-R-N. It's M-O-U-R-N. It just flew up to, it's nesting right above me, right up here. It just flew up to its nest. That's probably the female. Anyway, that was just a quick lesson on how to spell and the understanding the meaning of mourning dove. M-O-U-R-N. They make a mournful sound. If you're from Texas, you know what I'm talking about, and you're tired of people spelling it M-O-R-N, mourning. That's not it. Get it straight. Stop changing the English language. You have turned fort into forte. I'm sick of you people that just keep mangling the English language.